Hello students of class 8. Today I am going to do the chapter Life. Life is a poem which describes the span of time from our birth to death, means our life which we spend throughout, and how our life is consisted of sadness and joy, and how we should deal with the negative sides of life and how we should entertain the positive aspects of life. We should not be demoralized, or we should not be discouraged with anything sad in our life, and we should deal with the positive sides of life. Now life is a poem. I am starting the poem. Life, believe, is not a dream so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. So according to the poet, life is not a dark dream as sages, or usually the wise men says, means life has its own positive sides as well as negative sides, but negative sides do not stay for long. So the poet said what? That life, belief, is not a dream so dark as sages say. So according to the poet, life is not such a dark dream as usually said by the sages. But oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Often one can see a little morning rain, a spell of shower early in the morning. It just foretells, means it just predicts that another day will come, another day or another pleasant day will come. And sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Sometimes clouds of gloom means clouds usually brings rain. But when clouds overcast the sky, a sort of sadness or depression takes place. Similarly, clouds of gloom means sadness. Sadness which overcast our minds sometimes, and we get very much troubled, and we can't think of anything positive. But the poet says what? That these are transient, means these are for some time. Again, the happiness will come back and nothing remains permanent. So these type of sadness or clouds are referred to sadness just stays for some time, as transient means these things are temporary. Now often you will see when clouds bring us rain and gives us relief. So clouds has its own reality and own utility. So similarly, when our mind is sad, it has its own effect, and it can make our life better by realizing our mistakes, our faults, and how we should deal with sadness. If once we understand to struggle with sadness, we will be able to carry on with the happy phases of life. If the shower will make the roses bloom, wow, oh, why lament its fall? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fleet by, gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. So if the shower means when rain comes down, why should we be sad if the rain will come down, if the rain comes down? Why we should lament, means we should regret, we should express sadness that, oh, there is rain, means why it would be troubling for us? Because rain has one positive effect. It helps the flowers to bloom, or the roses to bloom. And so, similarly, when we shed tears, we just experience sadness more, experience happiness more. So, if the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Rapidly, merrily, like sunny hours fleet by. Gracefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. So, if the rain helps us to flowers to bloom, oh, why should we regret for its fall? Rapidly, in a very fast manner, in a very happy manner. Life's sunny hours means the happy moments, they just move quickly. So, one should cherish the happiness every moment. One should enjoy his or her life every moment, because happy moments also do not stay for long. It will go, it will fly. Gratefully, cheerfully enjoy them as they fly. So you just gratefully, you just cheerily, you just happily enjoy them as they fly away, or as they move away quickly. So let me explain few lines. Okay students, already you come to know that what is the chapter life based on. Now I am going to explain few lines like dream so dark. Dream so dark means our life is not full of darkness, or or negativity, or it is not full of negativity. Now another thing is that oft means often, then clouds of gloom means sadness, foretells means predicts, shower means rain, to regret or express grief. Shower means rain. Okay. Lament means regret or express grief. Then sunny hours happy moments, fleet, move with me. So, one should enjoy life, one should not think about the negativity of life. They should remain happy, as happy moments move very quickly, and there are positive sides of darkness. There are positive sides of darkness also, because after darkness comes the happiness.